So V, you're helping pick up the stuff from the storm last night? Hey, Toby. So we had a really bad storm last night. It broke all the pots on top of the tables by the pool. We only have one left. And Toby's helping pick up. Right, Toby? Are you helping pick up, Toby? Oh, we lost Toby. Are you helping, Toby? Is he gonna try to get water from the pool? What are you gonna try to do? So we gotta get new pots for the fake trees. That's the only one left, Toby. Come here, Toby. Oh. Wait, you got stuck. Wait, you got stuck. Toby. Okay, we have a loose monkey. Where's the monkey? Where is the monkey? Come here, monkey. Come with Mama. Good boy, good boy. Wanna go back home? Let's go, Toby, let's go. Where is Toby? Playing with shoes? Is he playing with shoes? Absolutely, yes. If he finds a little puddle of water, that would make it more fun. Right, Toby? Yep. Getting closer. Yep, found one. Yeah. So fun. Yeah. Nice. Good job, Toby. Don't worry, Papa put them there to dry, but it's okay. Hey, Dixie. Hey, Dixie. Yeah, Toby loves to play with water. Okay, so we need to finish picking up after the storm last night. And thank you for your help, Toby. Thank you for your help. Was that a little spider? See you guys on the next video.
You want?
That is Papa and Toby. Papa is shirtless. That's why I'm not recording Papa. That is fun. That is so fun, Toby. Well, thank you all for watching our video, and this is our Monday. See you on the next one. Gotta finish picking up. Right, Toby? Before the rain, and I think we're a little bit too late already. It's already raining. Bye, Toby.